Hey, what's going on, guys? In my previous video, like one video ago, I was explaining how to display the regular time, and before that I was explaining how to display the military time. Here we are, what we are going to see is how to use multiple constructors in Java programming. What does multiple constructors do is, let's say we want to print out, like, the according to the user input, we want to print out the time. Like, let's say if user put 1 digit, it's just for the hour. If user put 2 digits, it's hour and minutes. If user put 3 different digits, it's hour, minutes and seconds. Now let's see how to build that based on the user's input. Now I go to the second class I created. My main class is boy, and this is my second class, and I'm not going to use it in this tutorial. I'm going to explain this one in upcoming tutorials. Here I'm just going to show you how to build the multiple constructors. Okay, now here our main function is public class apples, and below that I'm going to create variables, private variables, private int hour, and same like that we are going to create for minute and for the second. So I copy this one and paste it 2 more times, and here I'm going to put minute, and then here I'm going to put second. Okay, now we have hour, minute, second, and we are going to create our first method, public apples. Let's go down a little bit. Public apples, and then here I'm going to say this is 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Now the next thing is I'm going to copy this one and paste it again. Copy excuse me, paste it again. This is our second constructor. Here we are gonna put just hour. So to just put like, let's say if user put just one input, we are gonna make it a hour. So integer hour, h for hour, and then here in this we put h 0 0. First is h, that's hour, and the others are gonna be just 0. And again we are gonna create another class, another constructor. So I paste it one more time, and here we are going to get two inputs, like integer hour and minutes, integer hour and integer minute. And in this we are going to have hour, and the second one is going to be minute. And then in the third one I paste it one more time. So okay, I had to close the curly bracket right here. In the third one, public apples and hour, minute, second, integer hour, integer minute, and integer second. Now here we are gonna get hour, minute, and second, and I'm going to just name this one as set time. So if there's 3 input, we are going to have hour, minutes and second, and finally we are going to print this one out. So public, finally we are going to set a main method, that is public void set time, integer hour, integer minute, integer second, and inside of this one we are going to type set hour, that is h, and we are going to do the same thing for minute, set minute m, and then set second s, and semicolon. And that's how we create multiple constructors in Java programming. And I'm gonna, in this video, we are not displaying anything, so you may not be clear. My upcoming videos will show it clearly. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you guys on my next tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.